Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our YouTube channel. Hope you are fine. Today I will be talking about what coronavirus is and what are the food that can help you to relieve from the symptoms of coronavirus. The coronavirus is a new respiratory illness that has not been previously seen in humans. The symptoms include cough, high temperature and difficult breathing, so please be aware. At the moment, there is no treatment for the virus. Doctors' aim is to help relieve the symptoms. The risk of catching the virus in the UK has been raised from low to moderate. If you have recently been abroad to China, you should call NHS 111. Stay at home for around 14 days and avoid contact with other people. Do not use public transport if you are having symptoms, as we are not sure on how the virus is spreading. If you have errands to run, then ask friends and family to help out. Remember to not leave your house for at least 14 days if you are feeling any kind of these symptoms. You can reduce the risk by cleaning your hands with soap and water. Cover nose and mouth when sneezing or coughing with tissue. Avoid close contact with those who have the flu or flu-like symptoms. Thoroughly cook meat and eggs. No unprotected contact with live, wild or farm animals. I can't stress enough that you need to get advice from NHS doctors as soon as possible if you are feeling any symptoms. Antiviral foods in your diet can be very beneficial if you are suffering from the coronavirus. Garlic is a powerful antiviral. It can be eaten raw, mashed, or can be added to soaps. Mix chopped raw garlic with a tablespoon of unpasteurized raw honey and consume a clove every day after 2 to 3 days. It's a fantastic way to boost your immune system. The second one is star anise. The flower-shaped spice contains hyaluronic acid that is used as a base material for the production of Tamiflu, which is used for influenza virus. It is a super powerful as an antiviral. Take star anise and boil it in water. Add it to your teas like green tea or black tea. You can cook your food in pure cold-pressed coconut oil or even have it raw as it boosts the immune system against viral. Vitamin C rich foods such as amla, red peppers, yellow peppers, citrus fruit like orange. Vitamin C supplements are a must-have. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for further updates.